ananipenda sana ila mimi nilikuwa nampenda ila sio kama anavyonipenda yeye. Ilipotokea paka ile issue ilivyokuja kutokea ile nini, mimi sikudanganya, mimi naambia ukweli kutoka kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Mimi sije kuacha na mwanamke na nakubali. Yaani kama mimi sije kuacha na mwanamke.
Unaanzaje sasa Alia?
Mimi ilivyo
Mwenzangu.
Napokuwa kwenye mahusiano, mwanamke akinitirafia na mchapa matukio paka anaondoka mwenyewe.
You are listening to Radio.
Mercy gang. It's a fire. Tunafukua makaburi today. Stop playing on my name, B. Yes, what's poppin'? What's going on? What's happening? It's your girl Drizzy. Welcome back to Drizzy Radio. Get a cup of tea. Let's jump straight into this mess, you guys. So it so happened that Zari said something about, girl, if you go cheat, just make it worth it, okay? If you go cheat and he go end up buying you a land or a car, kindly use it. You know the people are resurrection them closet. People are opening them closet. Like that can is being opened, okay? And the stinking is coming out. Okay? It so happened that people now asking, did Zari cheated on Diamond with P2P²? We want to know. Zari came out to say that I didn't do it. I swear on my children's lives. But people now asking, was that what happened or what's not happening, even though Zari said, well, it's just a random thought. Let's listen to what Diamond said then.
Kwenye mahusiano naye nilikuwa mtu ambaye namheshimu kwa sababu amenizalia. So nilikuwa na mapenzi naye. Sisema kwa simpendi itakuwa ni uongo. Lakini yeye mzangu alikuwa amenizidi mapenzi sana. So mimi
Diamond Platnumz, why are you outing Miss Chica like that? Why are you outing Miss Mamas like that? Okay, he basically say that, yeah, we were in a relationship, but he loved me more than I loved her. That is the receipt right there. That is the receipt right there. This is just episode 2, you guys, okay? Let's listen to more of this because, honey, nothing gave me a hard on like listening to some nice tea like this evening. Let's listen to more of what Diamond Platnumz said then and how he justified cheating on Miss Zarina, honey.
Vitu vangu vya kijinga nalifanya. Kitu ambacho ashawahi kunifanyia kilikuwa ni kibaya. Wajua alikuwa na date na P2P².
Hizo numbers ni za kweli?
Oh my God. Did you see Alia's face? And it's been alleged she was already effing Diamond Platnumz on the low back then, saying, hizo rumors ni za kweli? I'm just saying, it's hilarious to me. Okay, let's listen to it more, honey. It's juicy. Woo!
Kwa sababu nishakutajia message, nikamwambia kabla hata mimi kuwa na mtoto, kisha mtoto, kutoa message nikamwambia, sababu acha simu yake afinka nikaona usipita wewe.
Mama.
Nikafungua nikasoma. Hapo alipokuja nikamsikiza nikamwambia
mmefanya ngoma pamoja.
Kumbe una date na huyu jamaa unanizunguka. Lakini
honey, and that is when, of course, Diamond Platnumz said that, you know, Zari was out here cheating with the P². You all know the P² money is a little bit longer than Diamond Platnumz money. So people are asking, did you cheat with the P² and how was it, Miss Mamas? And that is what people are going in with all over internet. People are saying, so it's true, you cheated, Miss Mamas. You finally admitted, even though Zari said they were just random thoughts. Let's listen to more of this chit-chat.
Kiacha hivyo, mimi yani, so mimi kwa sababu niko ni mtu ambaye anafanya vitu vingi, nikaona baridi tu poa. Wakati tuna date, trainer wake alikuwa na mcheni, alikuwa na date naye, alafu walikuwa wanakuja mpaka nyumbani kwangu.
Baby, to be fair, do you think that Zari was capable of cheating on Diamond Platnumz with multiple men, even though she was in this secure, nice relationship allegedly with Diamond Platnumz? Diamond, you've just said that Zari loved you more than you loved her. Why would she cheat on you? Well, I've seen people that love people, but they still cheat because they felt insecure. They felt like, you know, they wanted something to fall back on in case what they were on wasn't working. This guy, but Diamond Platnumz was dropping some tea on it. And I'll make it clear again, okay? This is a dig up. See episode 2, honey, episode 2. Okay, let's listen to more of the juice you got.
Tena sio mazoezi wa tizi mpaka nyumbani kwangu. Mimi paka picha zingine ninazo. Ila mimi sio mtu wa kujifanya. Mimi siongei hata wanaambia kile kadomo. Sasa hiyo mbona vitu vingine vizungumzi unaambia it doesn't make sense. Fresh tu. So sikuwa kwa hivyo. Lakini kiukweli licha ya mambo yote pengine labda mimi nilikuwa ni chanzo kwa sababu mimi nilikuwa ni mwendazi mtu kweli. Na yeye alikuwa ananipenda sana. Ila mimi nilikuwa nampenda ila sio kama anavyonipenda yeye. Ilivotokea paka ile issue ilivyokuja kutokea ile nini? Mimi sikudanganya, mimi naambia ukweli kutoka kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Mimi sije kuacha na mwanamke na nakubali. Yaani kama mimi sije kuacha na mwanamke.
Unaanzaje sasa Alia?
Mimi ilivyo.
Mwenzangu.
Napokuwa kwenye mahusiano. Mwanamke akinitirafia na mchapa matukio paka anaondoka mwenyewe.
Baby, and that right there was Diamond Platnumz basically giving excuses, or rather telling us or convincing us why he was out here acting a fool when it comes to Zari. Diamond Platnumz said that I knew that I wasn't ready. I knew that, you know, I was still out here acting a fool. Yeah, I know all that. But Zari also was playing on me, literally. And when today Zari said that if a man can get you, if cheating can get you a land and a car, because this guy are cheating on you with the ladies, a man will cheat on you with a lady with a nose ring and a big butt. People started asking questions. People started doing some dig ups. And I'm like, yo, I remember we had an episode where we were talking about dig up. Why not do an episode 2, honey? And it's not an episode that will just be dropping. Like, I'm having a problem with my transmitter. That's why I'm unable to drop it. But honey, from 25th, Drizzy Radio is gonna be like you guys have never seen on East Africa. I've been telling you that I'm the motherfucking god on East Africa. And it's not even cap. Wait and see for yourselves, okay? I see people trying to take my spot, but guess what? The queen who rules, okay? I'm the queen of kings, okay? I'm the king of queens, basically, okay? And I'll be back on my throne very, very soon. You guys have no idea. Like, the guns blaze, like, let me whoosah a little bit. Anywho, it is what it is. No hate, pun intended. Okay, I'm just here giving you kiki and laughing on this Sunday night. And hopefully that tomorrow when you go to work, wherever you are around the world, you will feel good and remember me. Keep it classy. Bye-bye.